Yeah. So can you open that Eclipse? Yeah. So okay. Yeah. So up to this one, you are good, right? To launching the browser and all the things.
Yeah, launching
Yeah.
the browser and then printing the
Uh-huh.
page title and all
Title,
those things
title.
I'm also
Okay,
doing.
good, good, good. So there
So
are
there is a two
mhm,
methods I have followed. One is by
mm,
naming that as a string
mm, mm.
and then object as a string and then printing that
Appending, right?
string.
You are appending this title. Page title plus appending means
Yeah,
what?
yeah. And the
Uh,
second
uh,
one is
uh,
without
yeah, got it. Without
defining that as a string, directly printing
yes,
that into the.
yes, correct. Yeah, good.
Um,
So yeah, there are a few commands are there. Can you here the get title is already done, right? Line number 13 is what get title. Okay,
mhm.
and another command is what get title. So you get command is what to call the URL, and get title is what to validate the URL. So how you will see get title in web page?
You are
So,
getting that page from this
uh,
basically this whatever the title that is this,
yes, yes,
right?
correct. Yes,
Page
this is
title.
what yeah, page title is very, very important. You need to check that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, now one more command is already you written, right? The line number 14. See driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So can you write like line number 19 you can write just put a comment, right how to put a comment, double slash,
Yeah.
double slash, write the browser commands. Now write the first one, uh, get title, put a just a comment, okay, comment, get title, mm, and get get is what for the calling the URL, right? Yeah, you can write
Get
like that.
title
Yeah,
to
get
be
validate the
tab
tab.
tab title.
Yeah, tab title,
Tab,
correct.
yeah, tab title.
Yeah, whatever it is. That because that is validation, right? Once you get the launching the URL, right, you need to check the tab title.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now get is what to call the URL, right? To get command.
Yes.
Yeah, get command. So these all are the basics are very, very important.
Get to call
Get
the
the URL. You just whenever you want to call the URL, right? What command we need to use? Get command we use.
yeah.
Yeah. Next, maximize the window. See, this is one of the interview questions. See, when you run the script, right, it won't give the full screen, right? It will give the default window. So if you want to maximize that, right, you need to use maximize command. What is for maximize command? Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize.
Yeah. I'll put this, okay?
I will no,
And you
no
have,
problem. Yeah, yeah. See, the end of the day, you understand that's fine. Okay, you can write anything. Okay, but you need to understand what command it is. That's okay. Now another command is what? Now minimize command is also there. This is very, very important. Okay, can you write minimize command? So how we need to write? This command definitely they will ask you. So maximize means what you are simply write window dot maximize, right? But when you are doing minimize, right, you need to set the position from which point to which point, like x coordinate and y coordinate will be there. From which position to which position you need to minimize. Okay, that you need to tell. So can you write the command driver dot? Yeah, can you write? Yes, minimize. Yes. Now another command is what? Get current
minimize, you
URL.
have to provide the X and Y coordinates, right?
Yes, yes, yes. We need to provide the X and Y coordinate. The syntax is what you need to write new position. You need to write after window. Remove that minimize. I will tell you that up to window it is fine. Remove that. Now write what you can say that window after window set new position. Set position. Set position. Set position and open the brace. Inside you need to write a new point. from a new point. Again, point. After point, you open the brace. Like that, with that point, we can call it as what? X coordinate and Y coordinate. Inside
Okay.
point, you need to write X comma Y. Then
Okay.
that's fine. No, X comma Y.
Okay. Let me see that. Okay. Just
Okay.
give me a moment.
Yeah, yeah. Take your time.
Driver
Driver dot
dot manage
manage dot window dot
vendor
hmm, dot
dot
set
set position.
set
Okay.
position. Automatically it will come. No need to write.
Uh,
Just write two lines. And the new point, from which point? So you need to say new point.
a single word or a multi-word? Is that how actually? What arguments that we have to provide here?
I'm sorry, the system was restarted. What you did? A new point you given, right? So you need to
Yeah.
give -1. See, minus you need to give. Then you will understand. 100, can you, don't do 2 times, right? Can you put either only
No, no,
one
I
command you
have
need
given
to.
the dimensions to resize the device also.
Okay, okay. That's fine. But you can give 100 or 0 or 100 or -200 you can give like that. Okay. But we never use to minimize that one. Yeah, you can share your screen. So this, but interview they will ask you this question definitely. Can you tell me what is the minimize command? Okay. So you need to tell that minimize command driver dot window dot maximize dot. Are you sharing?
No, no, I don't have the permission.
1 second. Now again, this is not this. Now, okay, there. 1 second. Yeah, now I'm the host. I'm making you a host now. Mhm. Okay, now you can check. So minimize command is very important here.
I'm just doing it 1 second. So let me run this. I don't, yeah. Uh,
There is something error. I think why it is showing. Okay.
no, no.
Hmm.
So right
Hmm.
now,
Hmm.
okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
So first I
It is
set the point.
minimizing. Hmm.
Yeah, this is a
So,
minimize to minimize the browser.
okay. Can you comment line number 29? I will tell you. Line number 29, we just comment.
Yeah, yeah.
And line number 30 also you can comment. Now, what you can do is point after point, you simply write 100 and -200 you can write. It starts from 100 and -200. So they will tell you up to what level we need to minimize. Okay, they will tell you, don't worry about that. But the command syntax is very important. Okay, so
Mm,
okay, the syntax is what you need to remember. A window set new position, x coordinate and y coordinate.
yeah.
Okay, so
This
what
position
we
is to move the browser,
no,
right? Just to
it starts from 100 and it will close
no, no,
up
yeah.
to
This
-200.
position is where
Uh-uh.
to place the browser on the screen, not to minimize or
Hmm.
anything, right? So
Yes,
based on the screen that the execution that I understood, where
yes,
once you launch the browser and after maximizing it, where should I move this browser to what location and what point that I have to move it?
yes, correct. So generally we use what minimize. We are saying that to minimize. Okay, so up to x coordinate to y coordinate. Correct. So either you set the window or you set the browser. Okay. So the developer will give you that points. You need to check up to that. Okay, but generally we not do. But sometimes see, when you minimize also, the content should not be disturbed, right? While you are manually, how you will test this one? While you do minimize, right? The content in the in web page, it should not be disturbed. Okay, it should not be overlap. Okay, so that's the reason we need to use this command. After minimize, your content should not be overlap. Okay,
So
got it?
one more question that I have.
Yeah. Go ahead.
This set position versus set size, right? So
Hmm.
based on that execution that I understood, the set
Hmm.
position is to place your browser. Let's say I am
Hmm.
executing it,
Hmm.
it
Hmm.
maximized, then
Hmm.
set the position to 100 as the
Hmm.
x-axis and y-axis -200, right?
Hmm. Yes.
So this browser is being moved set into the position exactly based on the browser coordinates.
Yes,
It is
correct.
being
X
set in
coordinate.
that position.
Yes. Yes, correct.
It's not, it's basically moving that position based on this, let's say,
Points, X
coordinates,
coordinate and Y
and
coordinate.
also
Correct, correct.
minimizing that based on the browser.
Yes, absolutely. Correct. The way you are understanding is absolutely correct. Yes. But
Okay.
generally,
And then
we,
the set
yeah,
size is
uh,
basically how I can reduce my browser size. Let's assume that if I want to verify the responsiveness of the application
yes.
from maximum screen to some certain page limit. Let's say if I want to reduce my say page size to a mobile size, and then
Hmm.
is that the data is rendering and everything based on that? Is that the set size used for?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Again, it depends on your scenario. Okay, it depends on your test case. So correct.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you need to validate that set position and set size, or you need to validate. You have the two test cases. Then what you need to do, you need to validate these both things. Got it right?
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, I got it.
Good. Now, yeah, this is the way how you are understanding, right? That is very, very important. How you are thinking, right? See, code is already there in the Google, but while you are doing the practice and you need to understand what exactly it is happening, then the rest of the things you can do. If you understand the test case, right, you can easily write the script. Okay. Now there is another command, get current URL. Can you write get current URL? So you can simply write driver dot get current URL. So what is your current URL? HTTPS, right?
Yeah.
Google.com. So that should be print. So yeah, it won't print, right? So what you need to write system dot output dot
Yeah.
println.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
So yeah.
you previously how you written, right? And you took the string, right? You can do like that also.
This out. Current URL. Yes.
Got it right?
Yeah, yeah. Basically, I'm going to print it saying that.
Appending. You are appending that current URL to this. Not required double quotes after the or where
Yeah, yeah.
you can just
So
put
that it
plus
has the,
get current URL.
so that I can print it instead of having it as a
Yes,
string.
yes, 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 yes.
Yep,
So
sorry.
what is your output? Current URL colon that current URL will come.
Yeah. So current URL,
See,
it is
URL
printing that.
and printing. Yes. So sometimes we need to validate this one. Okay, current URL. So in that case, you need to use this command. And there is another command, get page view source. Okay.
Yeah, view source is
Yeah.
to get the entire source of the
Entire.
application,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Source of the
yes, yes.
page.
Yes, yes. Because sometimes we need to validate that too. Mm. Yeah, good.
Okay.
So if you write like this, right, you can easily refer.
Current tab URL. Okay. Or else because we are sending this data and then same data should be, yeah. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. The next one is get dot driver dot get
Mm.
page source.
Get
Okay.
page source. This is also you can append or you can write system dot
Yeah,
output
yeah,
dot
okay, okay.
println.
Okay, got it.
So one more thing, we are not use all the commands every time. Okay, whenever the command is required, right, that command only we need to use. Okay.
Yes.
Got it, right? So it's not like
Yeah.
we have the commands and we not use all the commands all the times. Okay, whenever the command is required, Suppose now I want to use maximize means I need to use maximize command. Suppose it is required test get title, then only I need to use get title. Okay. But you need to remember all these commands. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. And another important, why you are getting that one? Can you scroll down? We'll see why project is showing error. Okay, let it run. Yeah, you are able to see the page views looks right.
Okay, let me run it. That's what error you're saying. Okay, this is
No. I'm not seeing.
the
This is running
specific
fine.
version or something. Okay,
Prod,
declaration problems. Okay, 1 second. Let me comment this out. Page source.
I'm asking project. It is showing red mark, right? Why it is showing red mark?
Where is it? Project? Oh, here.
Yeah. Can you click there? Expand that arrow mark. Expand SRC. Click that. Browser dot here. Okay, you can comment this one.
No, I created one more and I do
Acha,
not
acha,
have that.
acha.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. That's the reason it is
So
showing that error.
basically, the reason that so when I'm defining it, a driver as the object,
Hmm.
right? In your script, I see
Hmm.
this object as
Hmm.
object type as web driver, but
Hmm.
I put that as a object type as Chrome driver.
Okay.
Still, it worked. I
Yes,
was
yes.
wondering,
Yeah.
okay, uh, how do we let's say if I don't know the object type, let's say
Hmm.
just giving as example, driver dot,
Okay.
right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Driver equal to a new Chrome
Hmm.
driver I have
Hmm.
defined.
Hmm.
Now, how do I identify the object type, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Just simply identifying the object type, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So how do I identify the object
Hmm.
type?
Yes. So generally driver is here is interface. Okay. Now can you write web driver? Driver you can write web driver. Now driver. Now see what we can say. What is the change to that one? Why in your case it is web driver? Put a cursor there.
1 second. I
No,
think
okay,
web
take
driver is a
uh,
capital
uh,
letter, right?
yes. Driver web driver should be yeah, correct. Now here it is what web driver is an interface. Okay, we are accessing all these things. Okay, so what are the Chrome driver you are assigning to this driver, right? From the driver we are accessing. But now in your case,
Mhm.
what you did, you simply write Chrome driver equals to new Chrome driver, right?
Mhm.
Now in that case also it is working. You are saying that one only, right?
Yeah, that also
Is
is
it?
working. So when we are defining the object as driver,
Hmm,
the object type between
hmm,
the web drivers versus Chrome driver, what is the
hmm.
difference? That is the
That is
and
what
let's
I'm telling,
say,
right? Web driver is the
mm,
interface here now. It's
mhm.
not, yeah, you can after the class you can check what is the web driver. Okay, it's a interface. Okay, so this
Okay,
will
okay.
comes on in the Java concepts. Okay, that's a good one. After the class you can check what web driver equals to driver and new Chrome driver. What is this difference and what is that what you write in previously, right? Chrome driver equals to new Chrome driver. Then you will understand.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
okay, good. Hmm. Now, what you need to do? Yeah, there is another command, interview question, driver dot close. See, whenever you are running, right, all the browsers will be, see, it is not closing, right? Whenever you are opening, everything is, you are showing in the down below. See, all the browsers are open state only, right? So if you want to,
Yeah.
what you can say that when you open the browser and you want to close means there is a command, driver dot close. So can you write driver dot close? Hmm. Now, can you run this one? In the see in now we are currently using Selenium WebDriver is what 4.290, right? If you see that Selenium 2.9 or 3.0, right? We don't have this option. We need to set position and key and value. Okay, then only it will work.
Yeah.
Okay. What happened? Yeah.
So it throwed an error saying that
Hmm.
WebSocket answer
connection reset. Okay. Yeah. Can you run one more time?
Let me close all
Yeah.
these things.
Better.
Okay, let it be. This is
Let it,
not,
that's fine.
that is not launched by the
Yes.
application.
Wait.
Still get the same connection reset.
But it is closing, right? Do you observe that it is
Yeah,
closing,
it
right?
is closing, but something
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
warning connection reset, connection
Reset
WebSocket
socket.
exceptions I'm getting.
Copy that one. Error. On the top, org.openqa.selenium remote.http. Yeah, copy that one. Not warning message, copy that on error. Google it that. So you need to validate that one.
Okay, I think.
So remote socket. So sometimes again, it will need to check the compatibility also. Okay, better you can go with this text one. Okay, any
Yeah,
text one.
sure.
Hmm. So here, see,
Okay,
in this
public
case,
share.
your previously what you use Chrome driver dot driver equals to new Chrome driver you given, right? In that case, what you are writing driver dot close means it was failing. See, come down. Now, just now we changed, right? So that's the reason it was failing. Okay. So
Now I
what?
modified that to now
Now, yes,
driver.webdriver, right?
I understand. But what you can do
Hmm.
is that the reason might be it is failing. You do one thing, okay? You already driver everywhere you keep it as a driver, right? There is a Chrome browser dot Java, right? Can you go there? The new program, what you written there, right? There is class
Okay.
now. Just launch that site. Right now, write one command driver dot get. Now write the WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. Now write new Chrome driver. Just remove that and control space. Hmm.
Web, sorry, I lost. Okay.
Okay.
Driver.get only, right? Okay,
Driver
sorry.
dot get on. Simple. Call the URL is what driver dot get on. Control space. No need to write anything. Just write dot get. Yeah. The double quotes.
Okay.
Call the URL. Put in double quote. That should be a string, right?
Yeah. Okay. Let's run this.
Run this one. So can no, it is
Just,
not. It is showing, right? So we need to check
yeah,
that compatibility, like what browser version you are
you
taking,
need to include dependency of
festival
specific version of
CDP using
CDP
of
using something called.
endeavor. Yeah. So that is what
Okay.
compatibility issue. Okay. But it is closing,
Okay.
right? But you need to note down these errors. Okay. So we need to check because which version it is showing like this. Because every time we'll see these kind of issues, connection reset and all the things. Okay. I told you, right? We don't
Mm.
have any, what we can say, vendor support. These kind of issues will come, right? You can note down all the issues and you need to report. See, in 2.0, 3.0, we need to write like this: set system dot set property key and value. Okay. But in Selenium 4, we are not writing like that, right? Directly, we are taking what web driver equals to new Chrome driver. There are a lot of changes will be there. So whenever you get a free time, right, you can go with older versions and check whether it is how it is working. Then you will easily understand the previous versions and latest version. Okay, but don't spend too much of time there. Just because everyone is using latest one only. Whenever you hitting these kind of issues, right, please note down that and make sure that it what is the solution for that. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Okay, good. So these are our what browser commands. Again, close means what? Only that particular window is closing, right?
Yeah.
There is another
Yeah, that.
the tab.
Mm.
There is another command, quit command. Can you go to your previous program? Just write because you are writing the proper way, right? Yeah, write that command also. Yeah, and also you can write driver dot quit. What is the difference between close and quit? So close means what? A current window will be closed. Okay. What about quit means? Suppose you are opening 2, 3 windows, okay, by using of WebDriver, okay. Okay, 2, 3 windows are opening means all the windows will be closed, okay, through which you are opening with the WebDriver, okay. So it is also will be closed, okay. But not only this one, you can say quit, we are not getting any issues, right? We are
Yeah,
not
quit
getting.
we did not, but close we got.
Where hitting. Yeah, this is what you need to check that one. Again, these all are what compatibility issues. Again, we need to check what is the browser and what version we are using. That all we need to be considered. Okay. But remember, what are the browser command means? You need to tell all the things. What are there? Get title, get text. Get text is also one of the one of the important command that we'll see when the locators will come, right? At that time we can see, right? Driver dot
Okay.
get text. Sometimes we need to read the text. In that case, what we need to do? We need to use get text. Okay. So this is very, very important command. Okay. Once we go through locators, right, then we will start this one. Okay. We'll see that example.
Sure.
Yeah, okay, good. So what are the browser command means? You can tell all the things, okay? Get title, uh, get current URL, maximize and minimize, and close and quit, and page view source. And one more is what? Is there anything? Get, okay, get title, get, what do you, get text,
Yeah,
write
get
two
text
lines.
is not there.
No, no, write 2 lines. Just get, control space.
Yeah, there's no get text if you're looking at it, right?
Get text. Oh, not there. Yeah, correct, correct, correct. That get text will be there. Hold on, hold on. Get text will be there. What you written, right? Get string class space title. In browser commands, why you are not getting get text? Can you remove that driver dot? Wait, wait. Can you write one more time? Driver dot get will be there. Get text is very, very important. Windows. This why it is not showing? Get text. One second.
Yeah,
I don't know why it is not showing. See, this is the get text is very, very important. Bro. Okay, we'll see that one. Get text will be there. I will show you.
yeah, sure, sure.
Okay. Here you can try one more time. Just comment that. Close you can get string. You are getting get class. What WebDriver you using? Latest one only, right? What is the
Yeah,
version?
4.29.
29.
4.29.
4.29. Oh, interesting. So we
No,
need to.
whatever the latest that I have, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Basically, let's say SRC. No,
Build path, build path. You need to go to the build path.
yep. Sorry, build path.
Configuration build path.
So
Libraries.
libraries. Yeah, I have 4.29.
2.210. Yeah. Actually, okay. I will share one second. Can you make me a host? Just I want to show you one thing.
Stop share. Okay.
So get text is also is very, very important. Whenever you want the text, right, you need to read, right? That in that case, we need to use that get text.
Okay.
Okay, I'm the host, right? 1 second, I'm sharing my screen. So see, these all are what we discussed so far, right? So get command we done, get title we did, get text. See, this command is very, very important. This command is used to obtain the text of that element. Okay. Now suppose you want to read some text, okay, from the text box or
Oh,
anything,
find
right?
element by text, right? It's
Yes, yes,
not
yeah,
get text,
yes,
right?
yes, yes. So that get text is what command actually. That is the reason I told you, right? When you work with the locators, right? In that case, we can work on this. Okay.
Yeah, that is when you're finding an element, you are trying to get
Yes,
the
yes,
text,
yes,
but
yes,
now it
yes,
is not directly there in the
yes, yes,
driver.
yes, yes, yes. So what you can do is you can write there itself to get text. Okay. When the locators will come, right? In that case, we can find out that. Okay.
Yeah,
Got it, right?
yeah,
Now you can share one more thing. Navigate comments also, we will finish that today itself. Okay. Yeah, you can share your screen.
yeah, sure.
I'm making as a present. But that command is very, very important. Get text. What you're writing? Ah,
No, I'm just looking at all the get.
okay.
What are the commands that are there in the
Okay.
driver?
Okay. Okay. Now, there are other things will be there. Navigate commands. Can you write one more thing? Navigate to URL. Okay. So there is another command is what? See, get command is what generally we use to call the URL, right? There is another way to call the URL. Okay. What command it is? Simply you can write driver dot navigate to, right? So when you call navigate to, right, it will also call that URL. Okay, can you write navigate dot to, navigate dot to, remove that semicolon on dot to. And now currently in which you are in, which site you are in? Amazon? First one, first one.
I am in Google.
Google, right? From the Google, you can navigate to any other URL. Selenium.dev you can go. Uh, Now what you can do, double quotes, put in double quotes and give any other URL. Semicolon. At the end, it should be semicolon.
Oh, sorry.
No
Yeah.
problem. So, Selenium statements always end with the semicolon interview question. Just generally they will ask you.
Okay, it's automatically redirected to
Redirected
Amazon.com.
to them. Now, suppose you are in Amazon page, right? Again, you want to go back. Okay. So, what command
Mm-hmm.
you need to use? Navigate back. So, so once your operations is done in Amazon site, right? Then what you need to do? Driver dot navigate back dot back. Yeah. Back. Click that one. Back dot back.
Okay, I'm just looking at it. What are those? Navigate.
Back. Write 2 lines, at least 2 lines. BAC,
Yeah,
right? Mm.
yeah. Sorry. Navigate dot.
Back.
I'm getting this navigate.
Yeah. Navigate. Select that dot. Put a dot. Back.
Again to the URL we have to provide.
Yes.
Let's say
No, not no need to mention that one. That is a see. There is a back option will be there, right? Can you remove that?
oh, okay.
It will back. Say back and forward will be there. See, the button will be there, right?
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah. So simply you can use navigate back. So again, it will go back to here. Again, see here the forward button is enabled. If you observe this one, forward button is
Yeah.
enabled now. So once again, your operation is done, right? You can write forward. So can you write that one? Are you getting right? So forward. Yeah. So it will be do forward also.
Yeah. Okay.
And sometimes you need to do refresh. So sometimes the developer is ask you check the refresh and check the values or values are loading or not. They will say that, right? So in that case also we can use what refresh. So there is a command what we can call driver dot navigate dot refresh. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the see basic one. If you know these basic commands, right? And now see you are when you're comparing day one and now this see you are writing, you are launching the browser and you are maximizing the window and also you are calling the get title. This is what experience. So when you do practice more, right, you will easily understand them. So, but what are the commands? Okay, what commands is required, when it is required, at what position you need to use that commands. If you know that, based on your test cases, we need to execute all the things. So yesterday, what we learned to launching the browser, and today what we learned the browser commands. What are the browser commands we need to use? So what are the browser commands? You can say get title, get text, and get current URL, get page view source, and quick and close, maximize and minimize. Please don't buy her. You already know all the commands, right? You already did with your own. So the same thing you need to tell in the interview. What are the navigate commands? So navigate to, you can navigate from one URL to the another URL. You can use navigate to and navigate back, navigate forward, and refresh. So you need to check navigate back and forward. You cannot write blindly there. You need to check whether that option is available or not. If your option is
Yeah.
navigate back, means then only you need to write. But most of the people, what they will do, they know the command and they will write, and it won't execute. Okay, check that option whether it is available or not. Okay, in that case only we need to use. So what we can do is tomorrow we'll start locators. Very important. Tomorrow we'll start that. Okay.
One question here.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So when I'm
Uh,
looking at the to string navigate to,
hmm, hmm,
there are three options are there.
hmm,
One is to
hmm.
string URL
Uh,
and then URL and
hmm.
then to
String.
string.
You
So
can
what is the
select
difference
anything.
here?
You can select one more thing. Just comment this one. Comment that line number 39. Hmm. And
Let
just
me.
put it that should you need to
I'm just
yeah yeah
commenting it. Okay.
yeah now just copy that URL, double quotes. Can you run this one? It will go.
Okay.
Okay.
Now it is
uh,
navigated. Okay.
Navigated. Now another command
Now
also you can use what you said URL, right? It's navigate dot URL. dot put dot you string your no two already used, right?
Yeah. 2 is there, but I have to provide this thing, right?
No,
W-
42 is already be executed, right? So you
No,
can
no, but
change. Uh-huh.
see, the problem that I am trying to understand is,
Mm-hmm.
when you're looking at 2,
Mm.
there is a string URL,
Yeah,
URL,
you are.
URL.
Yeah, yeah. There is
What
only
is
a
the difference that I'm
command
just trying?
change. Okay. Can you paste that URL now? Can you run this one? Is it working, right? Yeah, yeah,
This is also got
yeah,
executed,
yeah,
right?
yeah. Yes, yes. So there is a only slight difference on. You can check in that Google once. Once you can check what is the difference between two and navigate to URL. Now don't write Amazon.com. Just
No,
two
no, I
and
am not writing.
uh,
Okay.
uh, uh,
Two string. Okay. I don't know what is this two string.
hmm. Copy that one.
It is throwing an
So
error.
if
The
you
method two string is a
hmm,
type object is not applicable
hmm,
for the argument string.
hmm. No, you cannot.
Uh,
Just 1 second. You
so I
can
think probably the here we
na-
provided that as a string. I don't know.
navigate to string and what is the other command? Navigate
The method to string
to
and the type object is not applicable to arguments.
navigate
Okay.
URL. You can see, you can simply type navigate to string, navigate URL. Okay, the differences. If you check like that, right, you will get in Selenium.
Mhm.
Then you will understand. Okay, we'll see this one. See here, I got this one. I will share this tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow what we can do
Yep.
is we can see locators. We'll see that one. Okay,
Yeah. Sure. One
locators
more
are.
question that I have.
Yeah,
Right,
please go.
right now, as
Hmm,
we're starting with the
hmm,
Java, right?
hmm.
So, are you planning to take the Java classes also?
No, we are not taking. See, again, that is what the Java you should learn full fledged. It's not like 15 days or people are in outside, the people are say 45 classes and Java 20-day classes and automation 20 classes. It won't work out. Okay. So whenever
Mm-hmm.
Java is required, I will explain you. I will give you important for Java related interview questions because I'm asking you guys need to do. So here only we will took lot of time, right? We are spending a lot of time. If I'm executing my system and if I executed my commands, right, it will be finished within 20 to 15 days we can complete. But I don't like that.
Mm-hmm.
I will always ask to the students need to be shared and the student need to be practiced. So at least if you go for interview, not only interview, at least you can try your own means you can launch, right? So many of the students, they will say that they are not getting good knowledge in Java and also they are not good knowledge in Selenium. So what is happening there? They are not getting into the jobs. So at least you should have a good knowledge either of this one, either. But I always suggestion to the students to learn CoreJava. CoreJava you need to learn 30 days there. Okay, you need to learn from the basic, not like methods and on the top of the things you cannot learn. From the basic onwards, you need to learn. Because I told you, right, some of the interviews, they won't ask a single question on Selenium. They will only ask the Java related questions. Some interviews, they won't ask single question on Java. They will ask you all related to the Selenium. Okay. So you should be good in
Okay.
both. Okay. So whenever the Java
Good.
requirements will be there, that at that time we will discuss. Okay.
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 Sure.
Will
Is there any
uh-huh.
is, is there any core Java timings that matches the onshore US timings?
I will check and I will update. Okay. Because if you learn CoreJava, right, you can easily crack that interview. No doubt at all.
So I would like to go through the core Java, but I want to make sure that it aligns with my times.
Yeah, that
So if
is.
you can,
I will check and I will update you until tomorrow. Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Or else, yeah, I can give you one suggestion. You can take that videos of CoreJava. Whenever you get a time, right, you can go with one by one, but don't jump the videos. So most of the people, what they will take the videos and they will not go in the order wise. If you go with order wise, you will easily understand. But if you skip one or
yeah,
two videos, right, again in YouTube also you will get all the things, but you need to spend some time. YouTube, what they will do, they will miss the concept because you want to check more and more clicks. They want more clicks. So whenever you
sure,
open, right, so again, that is the problem. Okay, so I will update you. Anyhow, you can share your email ID tomorrow. I will send some materials. Even Durga
Mm.
have some videos, okay, in online. You can check that too. Okay, from the basic
Sure,
onwards. Okay, we'll see then tomorrow. Okay, thank you guys.
sure.
Thank you.